Here's Persona app, beauty camera, face retouch, and makeup filters. So let's just tap get to install it. Just double click to install it in here. Master your look with Persona, professional beauty camera and editor crafted for perfection. Smart AI and powerful tools deliver flawless photos and videos effortlessly live or in edits. Face beauty filters, hair upgrades, body tuning, skin improvement, editing controls, face refining, color boost, quick fix, exclusive AI tools. So monthly $15, yearly $58, lifetime $196. That's the idea if you want to use it. So let's just try it out. So here's the app. Then you can see the result, how you can apply, how you can change hairstyle, how you can apply makeups, and then yeah, you can then just see it in here. Then there is subscription, and then you can try it out. So for example, let's just try it out on the template photo I have in here. So for example, here's unfortunately then I can't do any. All right, I still can do something limitedly. Use any premium feature for free on your first 3 photos. Great. So for example, you want to add some beauty filter, then you can just change it. Quite cool, right? And then all you can then just add this beauty filter. You can add the mystery filter. So quite nice, as you can see the example of what this app is capable of. Quite good, right? So this is using the AI filters and this, adding this. And then yeah, you can then just apply this. Then you can change the hairstyle. I don't know what's changed here. So for example, we want to completely change. So yeah, you can apply that. Size, you can change the size. So yeah, something like that. Pretty cool. And so things like that, which you can just change, a lot of different filters, and super easy to use, and then you can save it in here. So something like that. And then so then yeah, for example, you can just save it, you can share it. Then there are some additional beauty filters. Then there is home. Then there are settings. And so yeah, things like that. A lot of filters. You can also do it with videos, I guess, and quite good app, quite good quality. It doesn't feel pixelated. It's using AI properly. It's getting better and better. So quite an good and easy to use app. Definitely recommend it. Try it out.